privilege of requesting Chairman Dr. Bijay Kumar Sahu to present the welcome address.
Good morning, children. Good morning, children. Thank you. Esteemed Chief Guest, Honorable Chief Minister of Orissa, Sri Naveen Patnaik, Principal, Trustee, guests, friends from press and electronic media, my dear seniors and Simon delegates from India and abroad. I extend a warm welcome to all of you on this conclave of Model United Nations 2013 to be held from 26th to 28th of July of this month. I'd like to convey our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest for having consented to inaugurate the SciMUN 2013, finding time from his busy schedule. Sir, we admire your commitment and love for children, for which, in spite of inclement weather, you are here to encourage us. This will certainly kindle the spark within our Indian as well as overseas delegates for the powerful deliberation during this three-day event. Young minds will work together to bring in solutions for global concern. Sir, Sai International School is at its present stage because of the encouragement and support from an erudite personality like you. I still remember the day when you had seen the school presentation even before the construction started, and you had stated, if the school is built as it is planned, Mr. Sahu, I'll be there to inaugurate it. Sir, you kept your promise and inaugurated the school in 2008. On that day, you had advised us to plant as many trees as possible to make the campus green. We have worked on your advice, and you'll be happy to know we have been receiving Green School Award consecutively for the last 3 years. Sir, in every visit of yours to our school, you have been suggesting us what more we need to do to make our school truly world-class. Sir, you will be also happy to know that we have already been declared as one of the top schools of the country by Education World for the year 2012. Apart from CNBC declaring us as the fastest growing school of the country. The achievement of our students in bragging the prestigious IMT Oxford Innovation Challenge, Dadasaheb Phalke Film Documentary Award, Design for Change World Contest, VNSW Gold Medal in Computing has put our school in the world radar. This was all possible with our constant advice, support, and encouragement. Sir, we take pride in informing you that we are the only school from Eastern India to be invited by Planning Commission, Government of India, for advising on the 2,500 Rashtriya Adarsh Vidyalayas to be set up across the country. We feel privileged to hold the first international Model United Nations, which has the unique distinction of being inaugurated by the head of a state, being accredited by UNIC and a registered event. 5 different countries participating in it. All chairpersons are international award winners from various parts of India and abroad. More than 300 delegates participating, and each one of them to be receiving a certificate accredited by UN. The most important, this United Nation will have 3 General Assemblies for the first time. This Model United Nation becomes significant with your gracious presence. All of us present here are extremely happy with your august presence. Let us share and salute him with our clap of happiness. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Thank you. I conclude, let's build a better India through education. Thank you very much.